We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here is an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.